Hello everyone, we are from Fine Training Academy, FPGA RDL Design Batch. Today, we are here to present our scripting-based Bash project that is AutoRegen. My name is Gaurav Bisht and my co-teammates are Rudraksh Kohli and Saloni Singh.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudraksh Kohli and today I am here to introduce our project which is AutoRegen Automatic Backup and Restore System. So let me introduce to it. So what is AutoRegen? So AutoRegen is a bash based system and which is an Zenity powered graphical interface designed for Linux users. So it enables both technical and non-technical users to create, schedule, restore, backup of files directly with ease. So what makes it truly amazing is how it combines automation, usability, and cloud integration into one streamlined utility. So why is my AutoRegen an amazing tool? So first of all, it is very user-friendly interface. Second, it has selective restore feature. Third, it is automated scheduling feature. Fourth, it has cloud integration. And fifth, no hard-coded paths. Now we comes to the block diagram. So my AutoRegen has 7 parts, which is first backup, restore, schedule a backup, modify a schedule backup, list of schedule backup, open help guide, and seventh is my quit AutoRegen. So what is in my backup? Backup in which it has file directories. Restore, we have entire archive or file. Schedule a backup in a day of the week every day. Modify selected backup day of week every day, what I have to choose. And list of schedule backups, delete any schedule backups. And sixth is my open help guide, which will help you to how to automate our project. So let me tell you about backup, how it works. So first of all, when we'll write AutoRegen, it will show this GUI, Zenity GUI. So first in Zenity GUIs, I have 7 options, which is one backup, second restore a backup, third schedule a backup, fourth modify schedule backup, fifth list of schedule backup, sixth help guide, and seven quit. So first of all, for a backup, I'll choose my first option, which is a backup. When will I choose backup? It will give my 2 options, which is backup a directory or backup a file. So how it works? So backup any file or an entire folder from your system. Archives are created in .tot.gz format. Automatically saved to your Google Drive through your GVFS format. And GUI shows you size and confirms proceeding. Now the second my option is restore a backup. So how restore a backup is done? When we'll select our restore a backup, it will show me 2 options: entire archive, restore the full directory of a file, and second is specific file, to restore a single from archive file if we want to choose. So how this works? Restore the full archive to a location of your choice, or restore any selected file folder from the archive. So what is the benefit of it? Saves time by restoring only what you need. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saloni. Now I will continue the further steps of our project. So the next step is scheduling our backup. Like why we are scheduling our backup? We want to schedule our backup for a particular day in a week or for the completely 7 days of a week. So after clicking on schedule a backup, we get 2 options. Like we want to schedule our directory or we want to schedule our file. So we have to choose from this option. After that, you can modify your schedule backups according to your needs. Like if you want to change the day or if you want to change the time, so you can clearly change it from this option. So after that, you can schedule your backup files like to change the time or the date of the file you or directory you want to change it. Also, you get the option to delete your particular scheduled directory or file. After clicking on delete, you get a pop-up which is asking you actually want to delete your backup or not. So you have to click yes if you want to. You can click on no if you don't want to. Also, we have a help guide inbuilt it, which will help a new user to use our project. So there are some additional features which is given in our project, which is like you can check your scheduled backups or list of files on the terminal itself by writing the command of list underscore backup on the terminal. Like you can see here, the location is also given and the file name is also given, which you have already scheduled on a terminal. And The second additional feature is that if you want to check the location of your file, like where you have been scheduled it, like you have backup it, so you have to copy paste it the drive location from the help guide you have already mentioned in the terminal itself. And there are some necessary steps which you have to keep in mind before starting our, like, using our project. Like, you have to make your Google Drive active before starting your procedure of scheduling the files. And here is the summary. As my teammates already tell you about AutoRegen, like, it is very simple, very reliable, and also any new user who doesn't know about anything about scripting or bash can easily use it. The help guide will help you to, like, step by step modification and scheduling of the files. Here are the some like packages we have used. Like, bash should be pre-installed. Zenity is used to display the GUI dialogs. We have used tar for creation and extraction of files. We have used cron to schedule our backups. We have used gvfs for, like, Google Drive location setups, and xdg open for opening the scheduled, like, files or the opening of our folders via GUI. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Now we will continue with the demo.
So, hello guys, welcome again. Now I am here to present you the demo of our AutoRegen project. Here's my terminal. First of all, as my co-teammate has said, that we have to mount the Google Drive at first. So I'm mounting the Google Drive. This is my Google Drive location where all the backups will be stored, the scheduled and the manually which are done. Now I'm gonna write AutoRegen as it is the name of our project. Here is the first Zenity GUI window, which you can see. Here are all the 7 options which are present here. Now I'm gonna back up a directory or a file. First of all, let's back up a file. Okay. So let's say hello world. Okay. It's showing me a pop-up window saying, do you want to back up this file along with the size? This size is for the user only, that the user want to back up this particular size of file or not. If the size is bigger, user can neglect it. Yes. Now I have got the pop-up window of information that my backup is being stored at this particular drive location. So let's see, now I'm gonna restore it. When I press the restore, this is my drive, and here is my hello world backup, which I have already done. You can see the timestamp. Now I will restore this entire, let's say, entire archive. So it's not an archive. I have made a specific location in the desktop, which is the restoration. So what I will do in the restoration area, I will backup, I will restore my backed up file. So it is being restored. Now let's check it. Here my hello world file is already present here, which I have just restored. Now I'm going to show you schedule backup. Now let's schedule a particular directory. Okay, now I'm scheduling practice directory, which is a bigger directory in my system. What I will do, I will make it for every day. You can see the timestamp is right now 12:50. Let's make it for 12:51. So we can check it in real time. Okay, backup of practice scheduled every day at 12:51. We'll wait for some time. Till then, I'm gonna show you the help guide. You can see the help guide, each and every step, how this AutoRegen project will work and how you can use each and every option is being showcased here. It's 12:51 now. Let's check it. Let's restore the backup. Here you can see the practice is already here. Now again, I have an option of to restore the entire archive or a specific file. I'll restore the entire archive, the same area, which is the restoration. Now, the entire archive is restored. What I will show you next is, let me do one thing. I'll remove this practice from here. Okay. Now, while I will restore this practice, I'll restore a specific file. Now you will see the beauty of AutoRegen. What it does, it gives you all the specific files which you want to restore from the entire directory. For example, I want to restore this F5, which is present in practice, then the GG directory, then the home, Gaurav, practice, and then this F5. It will only restore the F5. Okay. File restore to this. Now we'll check it that our only F5 file is being restored or not. You can see only F5 is being restored. No need to restore the entire archive if you want a single file to be restored. Now we'll check the list of scheduled backup. See, the list is here. Before doing the list one, I'll modify. This is my practice directory, which I have already scheduled. And now I can change the timestamp and even the day of the week too. Let's say Thursday, let's say 12:30. Now this shows that the practice is modified for every Thursday at 12:30 p.m. Now, what does this list of scheduled backup does? As I have only one list of scheduled backup, I'll press on it, I'll press OK. It will show me a pop-up window that do you want to delete this scheduled backup or not? I want to delete it. Yes. Scheduled backup deleted successfully. Now, if I'll again check my list, no scheduled backup found. Now, I will show you one more thing that if the user does not want to open the AutoRegen, he or she can check the list of scheduled backup in the terminal only. To check it, we have to first schedule a backup. For example, this one, backup underscore log.txt. Let's say every day, let's just give it a timestamp randomly, 12:58. Okay, this is being scheduled. Now you can see I'm quitting my AutoRegen. Okay, it's quit. Now I'll type list underscore backup. Now I'll press enter. You can see here, let me reduce the size. You can see here, home Gaurav backup underscore log.txt is being scheduled and the location where the backup is going, this is the location of the Google Drive. Now, one more thing, which was the additional feature of our project, which was the location of the Google Drive, which is already present here in the help guide. This. I'll select this location. I'll right click on it. I'll copy it. Then I'll just type it here. I'll paste it here. And if I'll press enter, see, my drive is ready. I'll tell you one more thing. If I close this Google Drive mounted, then I'll again type this. It will open the Google Drive location where all my backups are being stored. So this is our AutoRegen project. I hope you liked our project. This is a very user-friendly project. No hard-coded parts are here. Even a person who does not know Bash, scripting, or any other language can use this project easily. Thank you and have a nice day.